Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make smoked grilled chicken wings. Really? Yes! This is delicious! Alright, we're starting out with 8 pounds of chicken wings, and you can use as many as you want. But for this recipe, we're going to do 4 different dry rub seasonings, and we're going to smoke them and we're going to grill them. So the first thing to do here is to separate the drum from the flat, and you can see here, just use your index finger, find the joint, slice there, and find the joint with the wingtip and slice the wingtip off. Now feel free to keep your wingtips on if you like handles, but we need the space on the barbecue, so we're cutting them off. We're going to make a brine. That's usually 4 quarts of liquid to 4 tablespoons of salt. But we're dialing the salt back a little bit. No harm, no foul. And we're going to add a half teaspoon of powdered sage, followed by a half teaspoon of dried thyme. Now instead of using water for our brine, we're going to get fancy and use some apple juice. You can use water if you like, but apple juice gives it a little bit more of a kick as a background. Now man here is just eyeballing it, but feel free to measure it exactly. And we're going to seal them up and put them in the refrigerator overnight for 24 hours. So this brine is going to help keep our chicken juicy when it's on the smoker. Modern science says don't wash your chicken in the sink. Julia Child always washed her chicken in the sink. Now enough safety tips, you can Google the rest of that. What you need to get are these cooling racks, and they help you with things like chicken wings. These cooling racks make your barbecue life a lot easier. For our first dry rub recipe, we're going to be using Killer Hogs AP Rub. That's a nice salt, pepper, garlic rub. And then we're going to be using Plowboys Yardbird. So the general idea here is to just layer as much seasoning as you can, flip all the wings, and then season the other side. Pretty simple, right? You got this. So with the Yardbird AP Rub combo, you're going to get a really nice barbecue flavor. And here we're using Goya Adobo and Lawry's lemon pepper, and that's going to give you a nice salty, tangy lemon pepper flavor. Now folks, these recipes are just suggestions, but they are tested and approved by real human beings. Good to know. Next we have JCS Boston Dry Jerk Seasoning, followed by JCS Caribbean Chicken Seasoning for our Caribbean flavored wings. And last we're going to make a batch of hot wings, and we're going to be using Everglades Seasoning Everglades Heat, followed by Badia Sazon Caliente. And if you have any trouble locating these seasonings in your local store, which you might, check us out at manthat'scooking.com, or you can also check out the Amazons. You might find it there. Okay, so once you get seasoned up, let your chicken wings sit for about 30 minutes, and that's a good time to get your smoker going. So today we're using a Yoder pellet smoker with pecan pellets from Barbecuer's Delight, and we're running at about 175, 180. And we're going to add a smoke tube, and we're going to light that up with a torch. And all you stick burner people are probably laughing at this right now, but hey, this is what you do with a pellet smoker. Gives you some good flavor. So we're going to throw these cooling racks full of wings on the top rack and on the bottom rack. And we're going to smoke these wings for an hour, and then we're going to flip them. If you own a pellet smoker and you never made wings before, just planting seeds, that's all. Just take a look at this. Alright, so it's been an hour, and you don't have to do this step, this is optional. But what we're doing here is we're going to pull these racks out, and what we're going to do here is flip the wings so that we can get some maximum smoke flavor. You can see here that some of these wings are a little bit smokier on the bottom than others. And then what we're going to do is put it back on the smoker with the racks inverted, so that the ones that were on the bottom are now going to be on the top, and the ones that were on the top will be on the bottom. And if you don't do this step, your neighbors are going to come over for free food anyway, so, you know, it just doesn't matter. So now we're going to be on our second hour of smoking here, and we're inserting these ThermoWork smoke probes, and we're going to set the alarm for 150. That's going to be low enough so that when it's done, like it is now, that we can throw these on the grill and get a nice fire flavor. So this step right here is not optional, it's mandatory. You must do it. This is going to tighten up the chicken wing skin because smoking at a low temp leaves you with rubbery skin. You don't want that. It's also going to add a nice fiery flavor, and it's also going to release some juices that you weren't getting from the smoke. So we're looking at about 5 minutes per side, and of course you want to pull these chicken wings when they reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Food porn flyover. Man, look at that. What are you having for dinner tonight? Are you gonna call another Uber Eats? Look at how easy this was to make. Why are you gonna do something like that? You got this. You saw it was stupid easy with a pellet smoker, and then we threw it on a propane grill. Man, super easy. And make sure you do the brine. Always do the brine. That's going to keep these moist and juicy and delicious. So make sure you keep an eye on the temperature and pull it when you reach 165. And if you decide to make multiple flavors like we've done here, you can just keep it separated with foil, like so. That'll also keep them warm. And chances are, no matter how lousy your barbecue or party is, these wings are going to turn you into a hero. You're welcome. Food porn flyover. Man, check out all that seasoning. Look at that. Yeah, these wings are amazing. Try this recipe. Let us know what you think. Put your words into the comments section. Check out our website for some more videos. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Instagram. @ManThat'sCooking. Easy to find, people. Check us out. Good stuff waiting for you. So let us know what you think in the comments section. Give us love, give us hate, like, subscribe, dislike, whatever. Tell us what we're doing wrong if you don't like us. Let us know. Thanks for watching this video.